Dr. James Milton Carroll of San Marcos, Texas, was selected by the Board of Trustees of the Baptist University of Oklahoma as the school's first president. The trustees reported, "For many years, Dr. Carroll has been a notable figure in Baptist history in Texas and in the Southwest. We believe that with his ripe experience, with his wide acquaintance, and with his surpassing ability to interest people in educational affairs, he is the best man qualified to lead us in this new undertaking." The first session of classes began in the fall of 1911 with 150 students. Classes were taught in downtown Shawnee at the First Baptist Church and the Convention Center because the university's new building was still under construction. The student body included men and women who were in college and others in the preparatory school. At the close of the 1911-1912 school year, 9 students received degrees. Remarkably, included in the first student body of 150 were 3 men who later served as United States Senators: Josh Lee and Robert S. Kerr of Oklahoma and Huey P. Long of Louisiana. Unfortunately, at the close of the school year, the Board of Trustees reported to Oklahoma Baptist that they had temporarily closed the school until they could occupy the new building and address efforts to liquidate indebtedness. When in our own building, the trustees reported, we will open our school and go forward with that zeal and pride characteristic of our great denomination. The period required to accomplish the trustees' goals was described as suspended animation. Classes would resume in 1915. This has been an OBU Centennial Moment.